The infamous BM mics coupled with the Behringer budget audio interfaces, are they any good? I mean, there's no reason that they won't go together, but yeah, sure. Today I will be testing the BM-800 coupled with the Behringer UMC22. I got the BM-800 coupled with a stand, a pop filter, a windscreen, and a shock mount. Oh, and also some XLR cables for about 28 euros. And I got the Behringer U-Phoria UMC22 for about 32 euros also. You can buy the Behringer BM-800 for less than 10 bucks on AliExpress, and that's what I would actually advise you to do unless you are in a hurry. If you are just building your setup, you will be able to cut some additional cost by doing that. The accessories that came with the bundle are just bad. The microphone on its own is superb for the money. The stand is just shit and crumbles on its own. It destroys your table. The shock mount is decent. The XLR cables are just bad, and I replaced them with some better ones, some cheaper but actually better ones. The pop filter is just inconvenient. The windscreen and the shock mount are just good. I replaced the plastic pop filter with this one that I got for 2 euros, and it is much more convenient. The Behringer U-Phoria UMC22 is also a great addition to this setup. Much better than the casual phantom power ones that come for cheap. Those ones are just bad. And yes, you need phantom power. This is a 48 volts microphone. This is a condenser microphone, so yes, you need phantom power. And the Behringer UMC22 can surely provide that. It gives you real-time monitoring for your audio and an additional board for using an instrument. I honestly have no instrument on hand and I play none. So yeah, I couldn't test it, sadly. It also has LED lights to give you a sign when there is a signal passing through or when you are clipping. On the back there's a USB output, as it is a USB audio interface, a 48 volts on and off switch if you want to hook up a different kinds of microphone. You know, there's dynamic ones that require about 12 volts, and there's the condenser ones that require 48 volts, and stereo analog outputs. I recommend the setup for starting streamers and people on a budget in general. You pro cons. The BM-800 has a cardioid polar pattern, but I won't go and list all the other specifications due to it having a shit ton of different ones on different sites by different sellers. This is definitely not an omnidirectional microphone. This is a test of me banging on the keyboard just behind the microphone and seeing what happens. So this is me playing Warframe and testing it. This is a game that requires you to put your hand on 7 different buttons at least at once. So there's a lot of movement in this game, and I think the sound of the microphone and the mouse should be obvious on this recording. So for the conclusion, is the BM-800 coupled with the Behringer UMC22 any good? Yes, this is one of the best combo for a budget setup if you are a starting streamer or a content creator that doesn't want to invest much or just can't. Try to get the UMC22 and not the UMC2 if the price difference in your area is not significant. It's just better of an interface overall. Just get the microphone on its own without the accessories and get your own stand and pop filter. And yeah, don't face it to the wall or that will happen. Anyway, like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, subscribe if you want, say what you want in the comment section that's related to this subject, to this video, and thanks for watching.